In this video presentation, we will discuss about the perspectives on the social responsibilities of businesses to its stakeholders. We have chosen to use National Australia Bank, commonly known as NAB, as an example. The facts were obtained from the company's 2014 integrated report, and after we have critically evaluated the facts in the report, we have come up with conclusions which we will discuss in the later part of this video.
To better understand what corporate social responsibility is, let's discuss first the stakeholder theory. Stakeholder theory focuses on the relationships between an organization and its environment. Freeman broadly described a stakeholder as any group or individual who can affect or is affected by the achievement of the firm's objectives. The main idea of stakeholder theory is that if organizations are able to manage their relationship with its stakeholders properly and effectively, it will most likely survive longer and will likely provide a better performance.
Now let's see what is NAB's take on CSR as presented in its integrated report, and how does it uphold its commitment and responsibilities to its stakeholders. In the aspect of corporate social responsibility, NAB has identified different groups of stakeholders which include customers, community, investors and shareholders, and employees.
To be able to understand each group of stakeholders' concern and issues of interest, NAB performs engaging activities such as surveys, interviews, customer feedback, employee empowerment programs, annual meetings with investors, funding support to community outreach programs, and many others. This will give them the opportunity to reach out to the different stakeholders and address their concerns through initiatives and programs that the company will implement.
In as far as NAB's corporate social responsibility initiatives are concerned, based on their 2014 integrated report, the company has come up with programs that have widely addressed the issues and concerns of their stakeholders, some of which are programs that promote financial literacy and awareness, customer satisfaction and security, as well as volunteer works to assist the needs of different communities. They have also implemented programs that help employees manage their finances and retirement. NAB has also set up funding support and extended assistance to different outreach programs in the community where it operates in.
Overall, it is evident in the company's 2014 integrated report that it has generally addressed the issues of interest that each group of stakeholders face. NAB's strategy to critically evaluate first the concerns of stakeholders has helped them come up with the opportunities to reach out and identify the issues that matter to the company and to the stakeholders. This also allowed them to come up with ideas to address each concern through the different CSR programs that they have implemented. In effect, NAB has been able to continually build and maintain a good and healthy relationship with their stakeholders, which is likely the aim of every company in the area of corporate social responsibility.
Now that we have critically evaluated NAB's perspective of CSR based on its 2014 integrated report, let's discuss the reliability of such report as an alternative to CSR reporting.
The definition of integrated reporting, as provided by the International Integrated Reporting Committee, is a process which is founded by integrated thinking, the product of which is a periodic integrated report by organizations about how value is created over time and related communications about the aspects of value creation.
At present, a lot of organizations are producing quite a number of different reports every period. These include but are not limited to annual financial reports, special reports as required by different organizations, and CSR or sustainability report. In most cases, the users of these reports would find no connection between all these reports produced by a single company. But nowadays, there has been an increasing debate about the need to have a single and concise report that would tell investors and other stakeholders about the business performed, not just financially, but also on how it performed with regards to the environment and the society as a whole. Integrated reporting has been getting a lot of attention because of this reason.
Some proven benefits of adopting integrated reporting would be, first, there's better understanding of value creation. There's also improved quality of data and decision making. Next, there is lower reputational risk along with improved relationship with stakeholders. And lastly, it also attracts potential investors.
Adopting integrated reporting also comes with a number of challenges. A lot of new information required entails a lot of preparation costs, but we believe that the benefits will still outweigh the costs.
The development of integrated reporting was a response to the need of various stakeholders for a better way of reporting, where they will be able to understand the connection between all the information they require. It is in this regard that we conclude that integrated reporting has a great potential to be a better alternative of corporate social reporting. It would be better if companies give its stakeholders a better story about the strategy implemented by the company in the environment where it operates, and how this strategy would further translate to capitals that would create value for all its stakeholders.